What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Jay's Life Out Loud, a channel about nothing, but it's about something. So the last video, I was alerted that the video sound was very poor. So I tried to do a test on my phone again today. Now this phone, y'all, this phone is not even a year old. I don't even think it's 6 months old. And I got another phone because I cracked my old one. So, yeah, it's already time for another one. I don't know what's going on with the mic on the phone, but it won't record. So I had to hook up my external mic that I do usually when I'm doing videos outside or I'm walking or whatever. But it is what it is. We will push on, and I will have to invest in some more equipment or upgrade the phone again. So, with all that said, the video I did yesterday was about what was it about? Um, the road to hell is paved with good intentions. So, for those of you that couldn't hear the video, I'll just do a brief summary. What I was basically saying is that, a lot of times we can have all types of ideas of what we want to do in life, or I'm going to go to the gym, or I'm going to do a 30-day fast, or I'm going to save money, or it can be so many things. I'm going to be a better person. I'm going to do more. I want to do charity work, blah, 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 on and on. And we can think of all types of things in our heads, and we have all the intentions on doing it, but we don't act on it. So, what I was saying is that imagine if everything that you had intentions on doing, you just did it. Soon as you thought of it, you either start working on it or you just went and did it and got it out the way. And I believe that if we all start doing that, I think we would meet more goals. We would feel more satisfied. We wouldn't, maybe the next day look back on the day before and feel that we're lazy or we're not doing enough or we're not putting in enough effort. Um, Definitely in a situation where you have family members that the Lord may put it on your heart to go visit them or call, whatever the case may be, and most times it's to go visit, and you don't, and then next thing you know, that person is gone, and you're wishing that, if I would have followed that intention, because I kept saying it for 2 3 weeks, I was going, I'm gonna go over there, I'm gonna go over there, just go when it hits you, when the spirit hits you to do it, go. It's a reason why. So I believe, and I kind of hate this work because I hear people all the time be like, well, I'm a beast. I'm a, this is not or whatever. And I understand what they're getting, but it's all types of things that can be attached to that. But imagine how amazing your world would be if you really put those intentions to work instead of just thinking about them. So that was a recap. I didn't want to take the video down because it's already up. Some people said they just had to turn their volume up, but I did. For those that couldn't hear it, I wanted to do a recap and just tell you, like, there are so many people that say things that they want to do, that I talk to, that I meet, and they never do it. Small things sometimes. Sometimes people just want to paint. Dollar store sells paint. You can go to Michael's and get a canvas. You can buy paint at the dollar store. You can buy what's that, craft paper at the dollar store. Just paint. start it. Um, some people want to work out and they believe that you have to go to the gym to do that, to achieve what you want to do. Nope. You got a backyard, you got a patio. Go out there, work out on the patio. It's perfect timing. It's steaming out there right now. It's hot. Do a 15-minute workout. Go in the house, get you some water, take a shower, chill out. Um, some people want to learn the language, and they may say, "Oh, I don't have money to pay for YouTube." Get on there, find your video, go through a couple until you find the way that you can learn language. Play them over and over again. You'll learn something. Um, Other people want to start another career, or they've been wanting to be something that's maybe way out of their career uh, that they're in now. But unless you start watching YouTube videos about it, unless you start contacting people just to get a better grasp of what's going on in that field or whatever else, just do it, man. Do it. And like the saying goes, the road to hell is paved with good intentions. Whatever you want to do, man, get out there and do it. Stop procrastinating. Even if you do it for one night. I know there's somebody, a coworker, Jeanette, that wants to travel. She wants to do it like the nomad thing. Go ahead and do it. Do it for a weekend. Do it for 2 days. Whatever it is, go ahead and do it. I know people that want to, like, I want to camp. And I'm starting to think, like, I'm not going to wait till it's just perfect. I'm not going to wait till I got all the supplies. I can go to a campground and just camp. I don't care if I'm in my truck. I'm doing it. And next time I can add on some other stuff. And after that, I can add on some other stuff. Or I can rent a cabin for $73, bare cabin, and just rough it for a night. You know, who knows? But I'm seeing that my subscribers are going up. Um, I'm getting a lot of positive feedback on my videos. And I just want to say, for those that always watch, you know who you are. You make your comments. You know, some of my coworkers, it's about 4 or 5 of y'all that always, let me know, keep them coming, or how you felt about the video, or if it wasn't, the sound was out or whatever it is. But I appreciate y'all, and that's 100 from the heart. Um, I want to get to 1,000 viewers. So please, the videos that you like, share them, hit that like button, leave a comment. I mean, you leave a comment is worth gold. It lets the algorithm know that people are watching the videos, and it'll start sending my videos or linking them to other videos that people watch that are similar to what I do. And share them on your page. Help me get the word out. I definitely appreciate it. And y'all be blessed. I holla.